suggesting a play and thought that maybe we should move Ray into the backfield and hand Ray the ball. And I said, well, I think that's a good idea, but let's do it with Sam instead, because I think Ray's up in the stands right now.
That's awesome. What a great story. We are so proud to have a great relationship with you guys. We've got, like I said, a lot of Tigers on the field. We've got a couple of them in the stands tonight, so they're all getting their glory coming back home tonight. And we're awfully glad that you're here for a visit tonight, too. And y'all have a bye tomorrow, right?
That's correct. We don't play until a week from tomorrow versus Central Florida, who currently is undefeated, 3:30 in the Liberty Bowl. But we enjoy coming down here. We've got great kids, great feedback from here. We really enjoy our relationship.
I just want to congratulate you on how well the program is doing in Memphis. I go way back. I graduated in '86, and a lot of Memphis Tigers were my friends at the time. So I'm so glad that the program is doing so well.
Well, I appreciate that. We've got a lot of work to do, but we're getting better every single day. The kids are working really hard, and we're going to build a program that everybody in the community can be proud of.
Well, great. And we hope you pluck some pieces out of our team again this year. So, again, welcome. You're always welcome here, you and your staff, anytime. And I've heard through the grapevine, I haven't been able to test it out myself, but Mr. Davis up in the booth bragged about his tailgate. So I don't know if you'll be able to stay after the game, but I think you should hit him up for, some food. What do you think?
Well, I've got assistant coach with me, and we always bring our appetite wherever we go, so we may be able to slide by and eat some food.
There you go.